Hey everybody, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys an amazing trailer that we have on the ground. This is a 2018 CargoPro 8.5 by 28 all aluminum trailer. This is stock number 14564. This is an all seasons trailer. It's loaded full of goodies. We'll point those out as we go around. But wanted to show you guys, this is again an all aluminum trailer. So aluminum frame and skin. You guys can see it's on a heavy duty 8-inch frame, which just kind of takes it one step further than the 6-inch frames. Triple tube extended tongue, so it's going to give you guys a good turning radius. This one does have a furnace package on it, which is why you guys can see that propane tank here in the front. Weight on this unit is only 4,250 pounds. So your standard steel 28-foot trailer is going to weigh anywhere between 4,000 and 6,000 pounds. So you guys can see great weight savings. It cuts what you're having to tow. Also allows you to tow more because of the weight that you're losing in the weight of the trailer. Again, stock number 14564. Sale price on this unit is $30,577. We originally started this trailer at $33,577, so you guys can see we've got a great sale going on with this unit. Polished aluminum front corners right here for rock protection. You also have the diamond plate rock guard along the front. Rounded front cap, which is an upgraded feature. You also have a beautiful smooth skin exterior, so no screws or rivets on the exterior of the trailer, which makes it really, really clean and pretty in person. You also have a side door, does have both locks, which is important. You've got the RV lock and a cam bar latch. Now this is an upgraded latch mechanism that they use as well, so that's a nice feature. And then you've got the ability to have those double locks on that side door. Beautiful pull-out aluminum step as well, and then you also have the aluminum door holdback, so you guys can pin this door open, not worry about it banging shut. Here's that gorgeous smooth skin exterior. We'll talk about axles here. You've got two 6,000-pound torsion axles. This is a 22-degree down, so it's going to give you guys a lift on the trailer. You have about 18 to 19 inches worth of ground clearance on this unit, which is really cool if you guys want to use it for snowmobiling or, you know, get more off-road and have some fun camping in the backwoods, dry camp like we like to do. It gives you guys that ground clearance so you're not having to worry about dragging the back of your trailer as much. You also have aluminum wheels, radial tires. These are a 16-inch tire and wheel as well, and an 8-lug wheel. So heavy duty use there. Wanted to show you guys as well, I love the profiles of these because they have this rear canopy. So you've got a rear load light canopy right here, recessed LED taillights in the back, which is a really nice feature. You can flip those right on right inside the door there. It makes the trailer look really cool, and it's very functional in how you use it. Rear ramp door does come with the spring assist close. They do a great job with their spring assist close. This is a huge door because we have a 7'10" interior height, and I can literally open and close this door with one arm. So really love that feature about the CargoPros and the Stealths, and that their tension mechanism is fabulous, and it's super easy to open their rear ramp doors. I wanted to come around and show you this side of the trailer, and then we'll go inside and take a peek on all the goodies on the inside. You guys can see you do have running lights up here at the top in a couple different locations, so you'll have great exterior lighting at night. 30 amp service. This is a twist lock plug, which is located right here as well. There's the vent for your furnace package, and again there's that gorgeous smooth skin exterior. And let's go inside and take a peek on the rear ramp door and on the inside. So this is equipped with the Nudo floor, which is this black floor that you see on top. Nudo is one of the best performance floors we can stick in a trailer. It's super durable. We love our Nudo floors. You also have Drymax underneath this trailer. So the Drymax is a product, it's an engineered product, doesn't absorb the moisture like your plywood would. So it's a much better product to have underneath your trailer for longevity purposes. And then you guys can see you've got a nice big extension with this transition flap. So super nice angle coming in. This is a big unit. Again, you've got the extra height underneath this. So it's a nice angle coming in, and how they've been able to do that. Interior, again, you have about a 7'10" interior height with this unit because we did the extra height on it. You also have a 4-inch dovetail here at the rear, so you're gonna have about, I haven't measured it, so don't quote me exactly, but anywhere between about a 7'4" and a 7'6" interior rear door opening right here. So plenty of height if you guys have razors, side-by-sides, and UTVs. It gives you guys that extra height there. Better look at that rear canopy. You've got 4 D-rings here at the back for tie-down points. And again, we do have power as well as AC in this unit and a furnace package, so we've got your interior outlet right there. These light switches, one of these is gonna turn on your rear canopy, another one's gonna turn on the interior lights for you. And then also we've upgraded the sides and the ceiling from just a standard vinyl to an aluminum. So you've got a nice, easy surface to clean, and again, aluminum walls and ceiling in white. Looking above here, you've got a couple of lights on top. These are toggle switch lights, which is nice. You can kind of control those, as well as the big 4-foot lights on the side. So great lighting inside this trailer. And then you also have a roof vent up here. Here is your thermostat for your furnace package. So you guys can see it takes the heat strip just one step further and gives you guys a full furnace. So this is going to be an awesome trailer for snowmobiling and hanging out in the winter as well, because you do have those options. Tiny, tiny interior fenders because we have raised the deck height. So you guys can see not much fender in the side of this unit. You do have your AC unit with a heat strip right here as well. So if it's not too cold, you can just run your heat strip, but if you guys are up in the mountains in the wintertime, the furnace package is going to be awesome. Coming inside a little bit further, you've got a couple more D-rings up here, as well as upper and lower cabinets. These are aluminum cabinets, nice size, full width of the trailer, and then I believe they're about 19 inches deep, so it gives you guys a nice size cabinet. Interior outlet right there as well at your counter space, so if you guys want to hook up a coffee pot or a microwave or power tools or whatever you need to do, it's there. This is your furnace cabinet up here, so that's where your heat's going to blow out of, and then you have the additional upper cabinet space right there. You've got another interior light, conveniently located. Here's your light switches. You do have a CO2 sensor in here, some more interior outlets. Comes equipped with your fire extinguisher as well, just in case. And then backside of this RV lock gives us this piece, which is a lock-a-latch and a set of keys, which is a great piece to have as well. So you've got a set of keys and stuff to your side door. And here it is. We'll open up one of these cabinets so you guys can take a peek as well. Oh, this is another bonus. I didn't know this trailer even had this. You also have it equipped with an internal battery. So this is a 12-volt battery that's going to run any of your 12-volt lighting inside of the trailer. So again, that's a really nice bonus to have with the power package. Gives you guys some different options there. And you guys can see it continues the Nudo floor all the way through the cabinet. So here it is, amazing trailer. What we love about these is, again, they're lightweight, superior quality, they're built beautifully, but it also is great because it gives you guys the ability to really be comfortable year-round with these units, just because you have the AC, again, the furnace, the heat strip, and your power package. So as always, we would love to earn you guys' business. If you're in the market for a new trailer, give us a call, 303-688-8485. You can always check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com. We do offer the largest selection of cargo trailers in the state of Colorado, and we do have shipping options available for you guys as well. You can call to inquire about that, 303-688-8485. Be sure to like and subscribe.